Good morning, everyone. We're here live with Tim. How are you doing, Tim?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Hello, guys. Hello, everyone
Fantastic.
who gonna watch us. Just really amazing today to be with Zafras here.
Wonderful, man. I'm super stoked to have you here with us this morning again. With last meeting, we discussed a lot. We went through a lot with Legends. We spoke about the program, the format, how it works, and stuff like that. So this week we have exciting news. I know that you told me that you have some pools that opened. So we're gonna go into the back office. We're gonna get to see live how you do your stuff.
Yeah, Zafras, unmute yourself. You muted for a moment. There is some. Okay, just once again.
Yeah, yeah. Sorry about that. Yes, so we're going to be able to see live your inputs into the pool and see how it works. Yeah,
Of course, yeah, we're gonna show you guys that
wonderful.
basically how to make the investment in the pool, because the new fresh pool just launched it today, and the time for the investment is limited. So it's just maybe gonna be 5 days it's open, or maybe if we're gonna collect that pool earlier, so it's gonna be closed and not possible to invest. So definitely we're gonna do it right now today on this live stream, and you're gonna see how it works from the inside, from the back office. I think it makes sense, so everyone can understand what you need to do by the steps, yeah, and how to invest basically in that project which you like. So it's going to be great. Yes, Afras.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, Tim. Well, take it away, man.
Okay, so just I think right now let me open the back office, guys, and we can go through all of that. So Zafras can ask the questions about the dashboard, about that what he interested in, and I will gonna answer this. I will gonna provide all of that what we have here, so you can understand how it works from the inside, because sometimes we provide information like basic, yeah, like the overview we're just talking, but without the demonstration of the screen. So today you can see how all of that working from the inside, yeah, and it's gonna be great. So Zafras, just let me know what you want to know at first, and we just go on step by step.
Okay, basically, I would just like a brief rundown. So for somebody new coming in into the platform, could you just run through the back office itself? How do I be able to find things? Just navigate a little bit for us.
All right. So like first, once you're gonna sign up, yeah, and you're gonna be inside the back office, so it's gonna be the free back office. So first of all, what you need to do is the upgrade. So my back office already upgraded for the $1,200. For you, here's gonna be the button, yeah, basically for the upgrade. So all you have to do, just click the button upgrade, and then choose that package with which one you wanna start. So there's gonna be like the three packages, one for the 300, another one for the 600, and the last one, the top one for the $1,200. You can start with any one you're comfortable with, yeah, and that products which we have inside, you can choose that what exactly you want. But once you're gonna be upgraded, you're gonna receive the same page which you can see right now on your screen. And first of all, what we can find out here is your username. Yeah, you can see that what you've been created. My username is the Team Wider, so for you it's gonna be yours, that what you was created. Also right here gonna be some ID, yeah, but this by this ID you can basically provide information if somebody want to transfer money to you, so you can just give this ID to your partner and he can transfer the money to you inside the system. Yeah, and also this ID is works for the links, yeah, when you share the opportunity. We have basically the two links because it's the binary, yeah, and you build from one from the right side, another one from the left side. It's like the two teams. So you have the two links for the basically for the registration. When someone is interested, so you can copy, yeah, if you want to place them from the left side, the left link. If you want to place them from the right side, so you can just copy this link, yeah, in the right side, and you just provide this link for them. And how binaries works is going to be uploaded on the academy, yeah, and we're gonna go just in the few seconds for that. Also, just let's finish this part. So then you're gonna see the ID of your sponsor. You can see the Telegram account of your sponsor, so you can reach out. Definitely, if you just sign up and you like just maybe find this information on the YouTube, because in the description gonna be the information and the contacts of the Zafras. So if you're gonna sign up first, so here you can find information about the Zafras contacts. You can click on this, the Telegram channel, Telegram basically account, and it's gonna redirect you to the Telegram straight to Zafras, so you can reach out and ask what you have to do next. So it's like really useful thing. After that, you can see till which basically till which day your license, your package gonna be valid. You know, my license right now works up to 6th of May 2024. So I'm upgraded not so long time ago. I was on the 600 license. After that I decided to upgrade for the 1200, so I did that. Yeah, and right now my license is working up to 6th of May 2024. Then you can see that how much balance you have right now, yeah, inside your dashboard, and how much money you've been invested in the different pools. So there's going to be the total of amount, so it's right here. So then, you know, from here, from the right side, you're going to find that people which you bring into the business. Yeah, all of them going to be placed here. So you can check the information, if they provide it, you can check some username and all of that stuff, and this also as well you can reach out. So that's basically the front page, and here we have the PDF which we can download. Yeah, if we're gonna click on this, so we can just download the PDF, and it's gonna be the presentation and the social media as well, where we can share the opportunity. So it's basically like the front page. And just let's go for the next one here. So we're gonna go to the news right now, just go on the step by step. Or maybe you have some questions, Zafras, about this front line. Let me know.
Yeah, I've got one question before we move on to the news, right?
Okay.
So the total that you contribute towards any of your pools, you would always be able to see it in your back office.
Yeah, of course, exactly.
Perfect.
You can check all the statistics, how much money been invested, and also we have special Telegram bot which can provide for you also the same information. We're gonna go through all of these details also once we're gonna go. It's right here in the settings. So like the next one, what we have the news. Yeah, we have the news, and here on this page you can find out about that pools which been launched on the platform. Yeah, and you can check the information about them. So just let's choose, for example, the ORB. Yeah, and you can go and check some details. You can read about that. You can go to their website and check what it's all about. So also as well, we provide information in the Telegram channels, and we provide the overviews about this or about that projects, so you can understand that, okay, I like it, I want to invest with them, or I'm not really sure, I will gonna invest with another pool. So it's absolutely up to you guys. So just this is the information where you can find who is behind the projects. Yeah, because it's really important to understand that pools which provided here in the Legends group is the really serious pools, and we have the really great bakers with the names, yeah, who baking them. So that's really, I think, the great stuff. And of course as well, you can check all the information here. You can find their social media, Twitter, Discord accounts, so everything gonna be right here. And the same, yeah, once the new pool is launched, the company, they provide the information straight. Yeah, right now we have the new one is the basically the QR. Yeah, you can see there's gonna be the Cresco, yeah, the QR Cresco. And also we have the information, so you just go in here, you are going to be redirected to their website, and you also as well can check the information about like what they basically provide, what they want to provide to the world, what they want to provide to the market, and decide like for us, we just must decide, okay, we like their idea, so we definitely can invest with them, because all of these projects is the startups, yeah, the startups who right now like collecting the money for their ideas, for their businesses, and we are just one of the investors who decide, okay, I would just want to invest with them. And for example, I just want to show you here something that OpenAI, yeah, just let me just go here with the OpenAI account. Yeah, you can see that with OpenAI we have basically the CEO of the Ethereum. I think maybe so many guys who are gonna watch this video and in the record, and also that people who are gonna watch it live, so you can understand that OpenAI is the program which was created by ChatGPT. So ChatGPT and OpenAI, it was the same developers, yeah, and we invest, you know, with them as well. So it's the really great program. And even, you know, the CEO of the Ethereum have been invested in this program. The CEO of the Ethereum is the Vitaly Buterin, so you know him. You can check all the information about that, who created the CEO, who created the Ethereum, like who is the CEO. So he also been invested and support the OpenAI. So we've been invested together with him in the same moment. So it is the really great pool also right here. So this is just the news, basically the news page. So Zafras, maybe you have some questions about this. Just like let me know if you have the questions, and we can go next to my team.
Okay, yeah, you could go on.
Okay, so just right here we can go to the My Team. Yeah, it's gonna be right here, and here you basically can check how many people in your organization, how many people from the right side, how many people from the left. Yeah, right now, so like I'm more focused on the one leg. Yeah, so and just maybe we're gonna put one like more people to the right, and then it's gonna be more people we're gonna place to the left. So Zafras right now here in this strong leg, so it's gonna be easy for him to build because all that people who are like above us, they place in people to the right, so it's like the strong leg. So Zafras definitely can put just maybe one or the two person from the basically the right side, because we're trying to put all of them here, and then just focus on the left leg and build this account. So that's the really great option for people like if you are going to be placed on the strong leg, so it's easy to build. And the binary also as well we're going to provide guys here in the academy, so I will gonna just also explain about this. So it's like the really easy page right here, just the statistics, like how many people in linear, how many people in binary, like who like basically have which package. You can see that this guy have the 1200 package, you know, another guys they have another packages, so all of that gonna be here guys. So it's just the statistics, so nothing really special about this, just you can basically check, okay, how many people here, how many people there. So let's just go to the finance. I think maybe this one gonna be more interested to the people because they must understand, okay, so I just wanna basically find out how much money I can make and how I can place the deposit right here. So first of all, once you're gonna make the registration, so you need to go to the top up your account, because like it's not gonna be possible to start this business if you're not gonna be upgraded. So for upgrade, you can just choose that license with which one, as I said, you are comfortable to start. So here you can see that you just click the top up the account, and you're gonna have the option to the scan the QR code and also just the copy the address. And you're gonna be you just need to send the USDT BEP20. It's really important to don't mix it up the network, because if you're gonna send the USDT in the wrong network, so you can lose your assets. Right here is really important guys. This is the Binance Smart Chain network, yeah, and it's really important when you send in the money, just make sure that you make everything correct, yeah, because I'm always saying to the guys, don't make the mistakes, because right here if you're making the mistake and you sending the money by the wrong network, you're losing them, yeah, and they just stuck somewhere and it's not possible to return them. So you just checking, okay, so Binance Smart Chain USDT BEP20, you check and you send, and of course include the fee, yeah, because here's like little bit of the fee, so you need to include them, include that fee before you send in the money to your dashboard. So once you send, your money gonna be placed on your balance, yeah, it's gonna be right here, and after that you can upgrade if you're not upgraded, or you can invest in the pools. So it's the really great option right here, so which you can use it. The same from the right side, you can transfer the money, yeah. So for example, if I want to transfer the money to Zafras, so what I'm doing, yeah, I'm just here providing his username, or just like provide the Zafras, like his Zafras, and just I'm gonna search. Okay, just let me just, for example, if we're gonna find him here, I'm just not really remember, like what's your username Zafras? I think this was the wrong one. Okay, I can see it's here. Okay, I find it. So it's Zafras with some numbers. Okay, let me copy this. We click on the transfer, we click here, yeah, and for example, yeah, we just provide 100 and we click transfer USDT. So just it should provide for us basically the confirmation that you can see that right now we must to confirm, yeah, and all you have to do, just provide your password. You must to provide the amount how much you want to transfer. We already did that, yeah. So you can see you provide your email and you provide the Google Authenticator also password. So this system is really secure. If you want to withdraw the money or if you want to transfer the money, so you must to confirm from the many options. So So basically it's going to be really hard for someone to hack you here, because all the security is really great. So many things need to do before transfer the money or withdraw the money. The same with the withdrawals. If we click on the button withdraw, so we must to provide the withdrawal address, yeah, and the same we must to provide the amount. So after that, once we're gonna click withdraw, so the same I must to provide a lot of the passwords and just information. So it's gonna be like your password, after that your Google Authenticator PIN code. So just you provide that, and on your email you're gonna receive the same also notification, and only like that you can withdraw. So it's really also great, because if someone, just imagine if someone wants to hack you right here, yeah, because for example this video is going to be uploaded on the YouTube, yeah, and this is my back office. So maybe someone will gonna think, okay, so maybe I want to try to hack Tim and like steal his money, but for him it's going to be really hard to do, because there is so many steps he need to make to take this money from my back office. So I'm easily providing this like public, and everybody can see what is inside my account. So a lot of the security here, so it's really great. So the same, you can check the statistics, like how much money was deposited in which pools, how much money you made from basically when somebody's upgrade, when somebody buy the also different kind of the pools. So when the people is investing, so everything going to be right here is the statistics. So the same, you can check by the months, you can check by the years, you can check by the today, and just information about the money. So it's really important page right here. So I think for the guys who will gonna start to use it, so all you have to do just to top up the account, send that amount with which one you're ready to start, and just go through. So all of this will gonna work like that. So maybe you have the questions about this page, Zafras?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
Right. First of all, Tim, I really appreciate you being open with us, showing us all this information and stuff like that. A lot of companies I know, they don't, like, they tell you, hey, you can't use our back office, and you can't show it on YouTube, or you can't provide it for anybody else. So I appreciate that. I appreciate
you're welcome, of course.
Yeah, definitely, right. So thank you very much for that. So basically, what I wanted to find out, let's say for example, you did invest with one of the open trading pools into one of these companies, and they provided for you some returns and stuff like that. Would it come into the back office here?
Yeah, it will gonna come right here to the back office, yeah, and after that you can withdraw if there's gonna be the commission, right? So it's gonna be placed right here on your balance, yeah, and you can decide, okay, you just want to save this money and invest also the same in some pool, or maybe if you own the small license and you want to upgrade, so you can just save this money and after that upgrade, or you want to withdraw, so you can go ahead and withdraw to your wallet and use it like you want. So that's the option.
Perfect. Okay. All right. Fantastic. I understand.
All right, so yeah, so this is really great. I think it's simple. Everybody can understand this if they just start. So of course, after this presentation, it's going to be easy for them to understand where to click, what this button means. So it's going to be easy. So right now we're going to go to the projects. Yeah, and I think this is going to be really interesting part, because people wants to find out how to invest, right, in the pools. And you can see here different pools. One of them is open right now, and all other one is already collected. So it's not possible to invest right now with the BitCrunch, for example, with the 4K, because they already closed. So if we're gonna click right now this button, so you can find out that it's not possible. So it's already collected, so money already been sent to the founders of this project, so it's not possible to do that. So the same with other projects. And my strategy for all of that people, like most of all of that people who are working with the Legends Group, we invest in by the small amounts, not that big amounts of the money, but in many projects, because if we diversify, it's more basically for us gonna be more guaranteed that we can hit some project which can bring for us really great returns, because we cannot be confident, for example, that ORB will gonna rise for the 10,000%. It can happen, yeah, but because we cannot predict the future. We just make the analysis, yeah, and we just checking about that. Okay, maybe this project gonna be great, maybe this one gonna be great. And because all of that which we see right here is provided for us by the analysts, yeah, and sometimes negotiation negotiation process going for the 3 months, sometimes is 4 months. Our basically founders of the Legends group, they trying to basically deal about the investment in the Sun pool. So it's really long-term process of the negotiations, and they saying, okay, so we're gonna give you guys allocation for the 50 grand or maybe 100 grand. So after that, when they deal, so we have the pool. So right now, just let me click right here on the new pool. This is the new one. You can see it's already running and people already start to invest. So already that $1,200, like $12,000, sorry, is invested. Yeah, and it's like 24%. And this pool gonna be maximum for the $73,500, but we're not sure. Maybe it's gonna be closed on the $52,000. So that's basically the new. We're gonna have the more information about that with videos. It's gonna be today. Our founders will gonna provide the information and basically overview about this new pool, and we're gonna have some more information on our Telegram channels as well, so we can go here and check what is the project is about, guys, and why basically we have right now the best chance to get that, because you must understand that all of these pools is not public for the people. So if you are just the regular guy, yeah, and you have the $1,000, let's say, and you just want to invest, yeah, for example, with this company, you can find them online, yeah. Just for example, you're gonna open this, yeah, and you're gonna be here, let's say, and you're gonna find their contacts, and you just go basically like contact them and say, hey, listen guys, I want to invest with you $1,000. So it's going to be not possible for you, because like it's always by the sign the contracts. It's about the negotiations, and they cooperate only with the companies. So we have, yeah, we have the really great option to invest with the small amount, but through the club, because the Legends group, it's not holding the people's money. So it's really important, guys, to realize that Legends group is not that basically projects which generate money for you. It's just the intermediate between the investor and between the project. So let's just do right now with you together, yeah, I think live, we're gonna make the investment in this pool. I will gonna click the button participate in the pool, yeah, and I will gonna just invest that amount which I have on the balance right here. So I have the $227.50. This is that one which I want to invest. Let's say 227 and 50 cents. So there is going to be some fee. So you must understand that not all of this money will gonna go to the pool. Yeah, some fee gonna be provided as a commission, yeah, and this commission, guys, is going also through the affiliate program. So for example, if you bring anyone into the business, yeah, for example, I bring Zafras, yeah, and Zafras, he decided to invest amount of the $227. So the amount which you see here below, it will gonna go to the pool, $214.52. So exactly this amount will gonna go to the pool, and that small fee gonna be as a commission, yeah, which will gonna go to the upline. Like for me, for my upline, there's like not so much fee, like not so much commissions, but whatever, when a lot of the people, so it's like some additional percentage which you can make right here from that people who invested in the pools. But it's really important to understand, because so many guys, they saying, hey, from where people paying the commission, from the initial deposits or from somewhere else. So here you can understand that from this money, yeah, from this money which is going to be invested in the pools, nobody paying any commissions. You know, this money is going to be invested straight to the pool, and they're just yours, so nobody paying from that. So if we talking about the legitimate, so here you can understand and realize that, you know, there's just from the small commission gonna be paying, like from this small fee gonna be paying the commission to the upline. So like this is going by the business here when the people invest in the pools. But as well, we have the affiliate program about the licenses, about the packages, and you can check our previous video, yeah, which being uploaded on the YouTube channel, on the Zafras YouTube channel. Link gonna be in the description, and there we talk about that, basically how to make money from the packages. So let's just go right here, yeah, we can just invest. Also, guys, if you don't have the money on the account, for example, you don't have the money, because right now I have the money inside my account. If you don't have, you can click the blockchain, yeah, right here, and just let me basically just once again click here, click on the blockchain, and let me just click the transfer USDT here. So we're gonna have some basically address on which one we must to send money direct. If we don't have the money on our account, so we can choose this option, yeah, this option right here, and send. Yeah, it's gonna be the address with the like the same USDT BEP20. So you must to copy the QR code, or you must to copy the address, and you can send. So it's just going like this. If you have the money inside, that's what I have today, so we're gonna use the second option. So I'm choose this, yeah, I'm choose once again $227.50, and we're gonna make right now the transfer. So you can see that $214 and you know, the few cents, we're gonna go right there. So we click on the button, transfer the USDT, yeah, and just it will gonna show us to provide some information. So I will gonna click right now the password for the Legends group is gonna be here. So the password the same is gonna be okay, so enter. Just a second guys, because you know I have some information. So the pin from the email, so just let me go to my email right now, and we're gonna provide the pin code here. So guys, just a second. So everything is live. So what you see is what you get, how that works, so you can understand that everything is secure. So I'm going right now to my account, and you can see that let me show you guys. So it's going to be something like from the Legends system. Yeah, it's going to be here like from the Legends system. I hope that, let me, okay, there is not focused, maybe, I don't know, maybe it's not focused. Okay, yeah, okay, maybe it's focused right now. So basically the message from the Legends system, so you must just right now provide the pin code here, and we're gonna put the pin code 588105 is gonna be here. And then, you know, the next one, what we must to provide the code from the Google Authenticator. So I'm open the codes from my Google Authenticator. I'm going to Legends one. Yeah, this is some kind of the program which generates for you the codes every 20 seconds, like 20 seconds, it's right here. So you just choose the code, yeah, which one is generated every 30 seconds, and I provide it right here. Okay, so it's going to be 134,914. So once everything is provided, we're going to click on the button confirm transfer. So it's going to be here. Yeah, and you can see that transfer to the project Cresco. So it's been completed, it's been done. Yeah, and right now money been transferred to the project, and you can see here's our transfer. And the same it will gonna be in our finance. So you can see once we go to the finance, you can see that we just sent this money, yeah, and it's done. So it's working like that. I think it's easy, yeah, and everybody can just maybe understand how to make it right now if they doesn't know. The same here, you can see that after the token is going to be ready to release, we can provide the address. Yeah, it's going to be here our address. We can save it, and it's going to be the address on the MetaMask wallet, and basically this token is going to be transferred to our wallets straight. So just for us, let me know if you have the questions from this part.
Okay, so Tim, right, so let's say, for example, the amount that we contributed towards the pool in this instance actually was $214, correct?
Okay, yeah.
Great. So how do we know what's the percentage commission that we would get in return from investing?
Yeah, we don't know, because you know percentage can be different. It's depend of that how basically how successful gonna be the project. Like for example the project Cresco, yeah, we can basically predict that they can rise for the 1000%. Yeah, but in the end of the day, we don't know. Maybe it's going to be 100%, maybe it's going to be 50%. But as our analysis, yeah, in the before projects, in that projects which been launched before, we're seeing significant results when that people who've been invested on the early stage, the same like we're doing right now, they've been received like 10,000 of the percentage, sometimes 50,000 of the percentage, and it is insane percent, and it's possible only in the venture capital, yeah, and only in crypto, because because if you're gonna make some real estate investments, of course it's not gonna be possible to get that kind of the percent. But in crypto it's possible. So we cannot predict the future. Of course we don't know how much exactly we can make from our investments, but that what we've seen before provide for us really great thoughts and really great like some feeling that we can make really great money right here. That's why we're using this.
Okay, so like, can you give us like a rough average of the other affiliated programs that you guys worked with previously? Like, what are some of the figures that can
Yeah,
maybe be
exactly. I
expected?
have the PDF, so it also was basically in the PDF. So just can show you exactly, of course. So we have right here, and on all like any all of my presentation, you know, when I provide the presentation live, I provide for the people, guys, that hey, you know, there was the projects, yeah, and people received significant results. If we're gonna go and check the Matic right now, you can see that Matic is the Polygon network, yeah, and they've been rising on the all-time high by 100, basically 100,000 and 384%. It's significant percent, guys, significant percent. The same stuff with the Solana, with Shield, with the Graph, and just like let me open the coin market cap. Yeah, so just let me go right here and open the coin market cap here, and just we'll go in here and we can check, for example, the Solana or Matic, you know, that Matic, the Polygon. So you can see Matic is right here. For today, the Matic price is the 6 cents. Yeah, but there was the time when people been bought it by 0 something. Yeah, so and on the all-time high, you know, they received this result, which I just showed you in this PDF. So that's provide for us really great feeling that we also can achieve that, because nobody knows, yeah, when these projects in which one we invest. Yeah, so for example, this Cresco, that basically ORB 4K, when they're gonna be listed, and when they're gonna be listed, so is the really great chance that all of them gonna be right here in the top of the coin market cap, because you can buy definitely some tokens right now from the exchanges, yeah, from the Binance, from the Bybit, from the OKX, whatever, you know, from the different exchanges, but all of them is already listed, all of them is already right here. Yeah, and there was the people who've been buying these tokens when they even nobody knows about them. So right now we have the same option. We can buy tokens, yeah, we can buy the coins of the great startups, which right now is not on the market, because when they're gonna be on the market, they already gonna be rising by the hundreds of the percent and 100,000s. So that's, I think, definitely makes sense. Yes, Afras. So I hope that I answer your question.
Okay, all right, you did. I have another question though.
Okay.
Right. So let's say, for instance, you do get returns into your wallet, right? Would it be possible to sell from your wallet any token?
Yeah, it's going to be possible if, of course, it's listed, because once the project is launched on the market, so they already going to be listed on the some exchange, right? And it's possible for you, if you want to sell some of the tokens, you can go ahead and do that, yeah, or you can hold and just check when the price going to be even more high and just sell like in that time when the price going to be higher. But what we are doing in the Legends group, like basically our founders, they saying, okay, hey, listen guys, we received this amount of the tokens, we want to sell them today. Yeah, you can go ahead and just do that what we are doing, sell by this price, or you can wait, yeah, and maybe price will gonna go higher, but in the same time maybe price will gonna go down. So it's up to you. But we're definitely saying to the people that when we selling our tokens, and the community decide by themselves when they want to make it.
Okay, all right, so we get a little bit of a heads up kind of thing.
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right, very nice.
Okay, so you got about this, so you maybe have some more question, or just go next?
I think I'm okay with that part of it for now.
Okay. Okay, so just
Yeah.
let's go to the next one.
If I
And I
have
think
any other questions, I'll just make sure to come back and ask you
okay,
again.
great. Okay, so we just let's go to the basically the next page. It's going to be the notes, and the notes is the next product what we have right here. It's start from the package of the $600. So if you guys have the package from the 600, so it's possible to work with the notes. Yeah, right here. So all you have to do just choose like some kind of the note which you like. For example, like Cascadia, maybe Tycho, the Mon, Starknet, and just let's open, for example, the like Starknet. Yeah, so you can see right now the instruction like step by step. Just let me open this. Yeah, so you're gonna see the instruction step by step on English language what you have to do. Yeah, basically what you have to do right now. So let me just go in, so just translate it maybe or no. So here on the English node installation key, the Starknet, the gear. Okay, so maybe this one is still not translated, the Starknet, guys, but I think just we're gonna tell the developers so they were gonna translate it to English language. But just let's go to the, for example, the gear. So this one gonna be on the English. So you can see right here everything gonna be on English, and this is the instruction how you need to install the node. You know, the node is some kind of the script which you can install on the virtual server, and you're gonna be like a tester for the companies. Yeah, for that companies who right now testing their blockchain, who testing their programs, they searching and hiring the testers. So you can provide for them that what you can do, yeah, basically the tests, and you can install this node on the virtual server. We've shown that in the details how to do, and by the instruction, so you can just basically see, okay, so first what I have to do, I just must to copy this, yeah, and I must to install in the like client server. So we have the special client server, and we're gonna show you this, guys, in our next video how to do that. So you can just copy this, you install there, and by the instruction step by step you installing the node. So once it's gonna be installed, it works. So all you have to do from time to time just to go and update it. Yeah, because like you don't know basically about the updates, when you must to do, how you must to do. So all of that gonna be provided here, and as well on the Telegram groups. So we have the two Telegram groups. You can see one that is gonna be the channel, another one is the chat. So you can just click that, and it's gonna be redirecting you to the chats and also to the channel. So like this, you can be in these groups. The same with the instructions is going to be provided how you can install for Windows, yeah, and the same how to install if you're working with the MacBook. So it's going to be the Mac OS here. So like instructions for the people. So I think everybody can realize that, you know, it's simple basically. Of course, not really simple when you're doing this first time, right? But like step by step you can install it, because we have even the people like 50 years old, 60 years old, and they doing this. So you definitely also can do. So just let me know some questions about this part, Zafras.
Yes. So basically, this I mentioned it to a couple of my friends, and you know, this was something that really stood out, because it's a form of a passive income, and you're able to use that generated profits that you're able to acquire from the nodes, and then you could also use this to reinvest again into the open pools, and in the long run you'd be able to make a tremendous amount of profit in this manner. So first of all, I just want to say it like this: I really love the aspect of this being a part of Legends Group, and it's something that I'm very happy to be a part of as well too.
Okay.
So further to add to it as well too, right? There's options for multiple nodes to be run at the same time.
Yeah, of course. It just depends. It depends the storage which you got from the server. We're using the Contabo. Yeah, let me show you which one we use. So this is the cheapest one, but you can use any one you like. Like for example, some people they using the servers from Germany. Some guys they using from the United States. But I prefer Contabo because this is the cheapest one. And let's check that. Let me just go, I think, to the US dollar, so everybody can basically check the price in the US dollar. So we're gonna click save. So you can see like this server, yeah, you can rent for the 1 month. It's gonna be like $14, and on this one server you can install maybe 3 or the 5 nodes. It's depend what they require, because different nodes, they require different space. Yeah, but you just must go here and check like how many storage they require. So let's just open, for example, that the Tyco. So you can see that here, and we just go and we check how much storage they require. So they required the 100 gigabyte of the space. So 100. So let's go right here to the server, and we can see that it's going to be for us 800 gigabyte. So like this, like that node, if everyone gonna be like Tyco, so we can install like eight nodes, yeah, maybe. But also there is gonna be some requirements for the core. So basically like maybe 5 nodes gonna be working perfectly. So if it's gonna be 8, so it's gonna be hard for the server to work. So even with this one, you can invest like up to 5 nodes if the storage gonna be similar, and you can just for the basically $14 like keep that. So that's how it works. So it's possible, yes.
All right. So Tim, do you personally have the nodes installed?
Yeah, I have the nodes, yeah, and I think like definitely we can show this in the next presentation so guys can understand how that works. And even we can install, we can go through the installation process for us. I think we can make it live. Yeah, I'm gonna show you exactly how to install.
That would be,
so it's gonna be better.
Nice.
If you can choose any node you like, you can choose any node you like, and we will gonna install this like on the presentation live. So it's gonna be great. So I think that's better. You will gonna see how to use the client program. You will gonna see how to use that, you know, the server, how to work with all of that. It's gonna be great. We can do it, of course.
Yeah. Okay. Another question though, right? So let's say, for example, you do want to utilize this aspect of the business, right? So you know, you would definitely have to utilize the service and stuff like that as well too. So you're going to be paying, let's say, the $14 a month, right? But what kind of returns can we expect from, let's say, from one of the nodes?
Okay, let me show you. I think it's going to be better because we can show that was in the past, but right now people definitely they want to know what our residents like got, you know, already, and we have already the results. Yeah, so just let me go to results. We have this in the presentation, and I'm going to show you right now. So that's going to be better. So just let me go right here. And yeah, and people can understand. Okay, just let me just maybe find it how to make it. Okay, I just don't know how to make this one is bigger. So okay, whatever. So our residents already they received the results, guys. We cannot say exactly how much money you can make from the nodes, but we already have a lot of the experience before that people received significant results. And that guys, yeah, who just bought the licenses, who bought the packages, like we call it sometimes licenses, sometimes packages, like the subscription for the 1 year. So they bought the $600 subscription for the year, and you can see that for this subscription what they already got. So they they installed that Ziesha node, yeah, and right now this node, the test period is completed. So residents have been credited with the 200 to 300 tokens just in the 1-2 weeks, yeah, and we're waiting when the market gonna be released. We don't know by how much money, like what's gonna be the price, yeah, for these tokens. But maybe it's gonna be $1, maybe it's gonna be $10. We don't know like what the price is gonna be. So potentially it can be from the $300, maybe $3,000 just from this one tokens, like from the one project like Ziesha. The same stuff we have from Minima. So it's like some node which also was possible to install, and our people they received from the 150 to 200 coins. Already they received it on the wallets. So waiting for the market release. Once market gonna be released, like the same, we can claim really great amount from here. Also the Ironfish node, we have not so many coins, but we have it from the Exort project. People already received the money. Yeah, you can see not so much money, but they received. And from Sui, yeah, this token already was released, and it's right now basically listed on the exchanges. So our people got from the $1,500 to $2,000, and all of that they basically make without investments. So this is the key right here, yeah, for that people who saying I want some product but I don't want to invest like all the time in the pools, so they can really work with the nodes, yeah, and that's going to be the option for them to make this amount of the money. Of course we don't know how much money we're going to bring these tokens, yeah, 200, 300, maybe it's going to be by the $100 for the one token. it's possible also to be. So once the market gonna be launched, yeah, once this token is gonna be launched on the market, so we can tell you exactly how much money brings these tokens, yeah. But for now that people who've been using our scripts, they already received more than $2,000. So just we basically provide these nodes. This product has been launched like only 3 months ago, yeah, and already by the 3 months people received these results. So I think this is the great one for that people who want to get something without investments. So that's going to be with without investments.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Perfect. Right. And then again, you would recommend diversify and probably getting multiple nodes as well, just because, I mean,
yeah, right here,
opportunity.
Right here, you just basically install them. You not diversify between them because you do not invest anything right here. All you have to do, all the nodes is free. You know, for the instructions, company didn't charge anything. You just basically paying for the package for the 1 year, so you have the access to the back office for the 1 year, and you're using all of these scripts for free. Yeah, basically for free. So no additional cost for this, no additional price. So you can install all of them. And your expense is going to be just for the server. So you're paying like $14 and it's going to be your expenses. So that's it. Right. So right here, you installing the node and just receiving your tokens, and after that, like selling them on the market.
Right. I did think that we did mention one of the downfalls to it is that if you're going to be utilizing the nodes, you should have like another laptop or a desktop to utilize these things, right? Because it should be closed.
Yeah, because like we're using this server. No, like for example, we are right now making this presentation, right? I'm using the laptop, but if I will gonna use, like for example, laptop for nodes, so I don't need the virtual server, so I don't need that. For example, I don't need to pay for that, but I must to pay for the electricity because my computer should work 24/7 all the time, and there should be the special operation system installed. It's called Linux, yeah. Linux, it's for that people who working with the programming, with the code, and if you have the laptop and you have the Linux and you know how to basically install the node on the computer, so you can do that and you don't need to use the virtual server. But like it's more cheaper to use that server because right there the processor and also the space gonna be big, yeah, right there, and it's gonna be working fast, and you can just install right there, pay small fee, and it's gonna be cheaper than you're gonna pay for the electricity, because your computer or the laptop, if you're gonna install this node, should work 24/7. So that's the difference. You can install on the laptop, or you can pay the $14 and install on the virtual server. That's the difference only.
Right. Okay. So let me just make sure that I'm understanding this properly, right?
Okay.
When can I use the nodes on my laptop, my personal laptop, right? And also use my personal laptop for everything else that I want to do.
It's going to be complicated because you need to install not the Windows. For example, some of the people, right, if you don't have the MacBook, so there's the different, like Macintosh, there is going to be some different operation system. If you use just the computer, there's going to be the Windows. Yeah, but if you want to install the node, you should have some special operation system. It's called Linux. So for example, if you have the laptop, yeah, and you want to install on the laptop, so you must to install the Linux first. Yeah, it is special for the developers, for coders, and after that, yes, you can go ahead and install the nodes right there. You can.
Right, perfect. Yeah, right. Okay, cool. So that's what I wanted to find out, because what I'll do is just use my previous laptop and use that laptop for this, and use my new laptop for like all my other stuff that I need to get done.
Yeah,
you know?
Yeah, of course you can do it.
Perfect. Wonderful.
So right, maybe
okay, all right. Right. So we could definitely move forward here, and then we'll try to do another video where we go into the entire process and try to install the nodes and stuff like that and see how that runs.
Yeah, of course. Just let's go through some more information. I don't want to make this video too long because maybe guys going to be tired. Because sometimes when we provide a lot of the information, people is tired. They say, no, I just want another Zoom. So just let's go, guys. So we're going to show right now with the VIP nodes. It's going to be similar, yeah, with the instructions with the Solana. But already with Solana, you can start to receive the passive income. But it's really important that right here, it's not everyone can do that, because for the Solana program, you need to pay additional, additional for the servers. Right there, the server is going to be cost more because Solana required a lot of the space. And there you just can basically use the servers for the $100, for the $120. There's the different, and also here's the different program where you can double that basically price for the server which you're paying. And for that, people who are ready for that, you can use the program. It's going to be called here, guys, the Solana TDS, going to be like 22. So here you can receive the double of that investments which you invest for the server. But server is going to be cost right here not really cheap. It's from the $800. It's going to be cost the servers. And that people who are ready, they definitely can be the validators of the Solana, if they were going to hold this for the 12 months. So that's the difference. This is the great option to be the validator and receive the passive income, but it's required more investments. So that people who are ready for this, they can use it definitely. That people who are not ready, guys, you can use the test nodes and you can use the private sales. So it's like this. The same, we have some information about the airdrops. Right now it's like not on the English language, but it's going to be translated. So here's going to be the information about the different airdrops, different activities which you can do online. For example, just sign up on the some exchange, maybe make some activity and receive the new tokens also, because we have all of this great stuff, and we have the special guy who always provide the support in the Telegram chats. Right now it's not translated on English, but it's gonna be, guys. So we're gonna skip that for today because it's still not on English. So here it's gonna be like the questions and answers, like frequently answered questions. So you can just go and check the information about the Legends group, some general terms, also the terms and conditions, all of that stuff. Some like to read about, like some, if you have the questions. So maybe something you're gonna find exactly right here, the most questions which people ask, so you can find here. So let's go also to the academy. Right now I'm personally working on the academy, and so many videos gonna be uploaded, so many videos gonna be updated. So here it's possible for you to actually understand how you can work with the cryptocurrency, how you can work with the Legends group. So many videos with the information how you can work in the crypto space. I think it's useful because that people who is definitely newbie in crypto and they don't know how to start, they don't know what to click, so they can click the academy, and buy videos. They can understand how to invest in the pool. So all of this is right here. So let me open like one of the video, for example, and we're gonna check. We're gonna switch off the music. So you can see, like, I'm basically working on this personally for the Legends group, and that's like gonna be powerful for, I think, so many guys who don't have the information, who don't have the knowledge. So you definitely can just check that, guys, here, and just by step understand how to install the nodes, for example, how to invest. Everything gonna be right here with the instructions, the back office overview, also how to buy crypto, how to sell crypto using some third parties, how to buy using the P2P. Also I've been providing right here. Just for example, check the video about the best change. So best change, it's some service where you can buy crypto and sell crypto if you don't have the exchange, for example. And I think also this is for us going to be the great option for you if you don't have basically the way to buy on the exchange. So you can use the P2P server, like the best change right there. There's so many websites which trust it, and you can go basically and choose that one with which one you want to work. And just like by this instruction you can understand how you can buy and sell the crypto through the third parties. So it will gonna work for any country in the world. So there's so many videos coming, guys. Right now just I'm working on this, and we're gonna be provided for the Legends group, and Legends group we're gonna be uploaded all of these videos. And so the personal information gonna be here about you, basically like your email, your country, the username is gonna be here. Also the site settings. Once we're gonna click the site settings, here you can basically connect the Telegram bot. So for us, also for you, it's going to be really important. Once you're going to be inside the dashboard, so you can click the personal the site settings. After that, it's going to be here, and like from the right side you need to connect your Telegram to the bot. Yeah, so once you're gonna do that, so you're gonna have the special board where you can check information about your package, about the pools. Also, there is the information. There's so many great stuff right there. So you can use from the Telegram bot also. Yeah, and the same, yeah, from the, I think, yeah, from the academy I showed, from the airdrops I showed, VIP notes I showed. So that's basically, I think, all. Yeah, also here's the button to log out, and we just provide, I think, really quick the information for the people. So if they have any questions, you can also provide them in the comments, guys, and you can reach out to Zafras, so Zafras can give you the best information. So just let me know, Zafras, right now, maybe some more questions, and we can do not make this call too long, and can just basically finish it so people can understand. Maybe they have more questions, and that guys who are gonna watch it in the record, of course, they will gonna reach out and put the comments under this video.
Yeah, wonderful, Tim. Again, I really appreciate the depth that you took to go into everything and show us everything that's happening in the back office using your own personal accounts and stuff like that. You know, doing the transactions with us as well too. I think we can wrap it up there for now. The questions and stuff like that, I would definitely follow up. You know, I have lots and lots of questions for you all the time. I rewatch videos and stuff like that. I think about a lot of stuff. And I really, I just want to say, you know, Tim, thank you very much for the support that you have given to me so far. You know, coming into the industry, I didn't really know much, and you've been there to show me everything. You've been there with me every step of the way. You've been helping me. You've been show me the ins and outs for stuff. I'm so happy that we're able to, do this virtually. We're able to discuss all these different options to generate income. So there isn't just, it's not just like, you're coming into a business, that an opportunity, and that's just it. No, there's multiple different streams of revenue that can be earned. I love the fact that, you guys are expressing all these different allocations for possibilities of generating the income, and you're staying on top of the market. You knew with everything that's coming into the market as well too, so, and I'm just stoked. I'm super happy.
Yeah, of course, Zafras, you're welcome. We're always right here to provide for the people information for you, because, in this business, you must to help your people, because if you're not going to help them, you're going to be with zero. So that's why all that what I know, I'm ready to transfer to you, provide the information, show everything what I have inside the back office, because we want to be transparent, more as we can. So if anyone, for example, want to meet offline, we can do it. If everyone, if anyone he's saying hey, listen guys, I'm the good leader, or I'm just want to invest good amount of the money, I want to talk with your CEO, so no problem, we can bring the CEO and he can talk with him. So all of that is possible, so no hiding information. So everything on the blockchain, we showing basically the transaction when all that money going to be transferred to the companies, so we can also provide the documents, the signed contracts, anything people require, we can provide. So I think this is the best, when just we want people to be confident in our product, because we're confident as well. So that's why.
Of course, definitely. Man, I appreciate that.
Yeah, and I think next time, Zafras, and for the guys, we can definitely go through the notes, yeah, and we can show them how to install that, how to install from the client. So by the instruction, we can do it on video, step by step. Of course, it will gonna take some time, but I think we can for the 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes, we can install that node. We can show for the people how that works on the server, yeah, and as well, maybe even we can show how to buy the server, so we can show all of that. So it's gonna be really great option for the guys to if they decide to join, just check the information, check the video, check the steps, and they say, hey Zafras, I just want to work with you. So because all of that gonna be on your channel, and this is the next one, of course, video as well.
And I so appreciate it.
Yeah, of course. So, okay, guys, thanks everyone who was today with us. Zafras, if you want to say something for the people, for basically to finish the call, just go ahead and we can finish.
Okay. So to wrap things up, man, I just want to say that if anybody comes to me with questions and stuff like that, I'll do my best to answer questions honestly, openly. If I don't know the response for the answers for those questions, I'll make sure that, I find the right people. I come to you or maybe somebody else that you would know to be able to answer anybody's questions and stuff like that. I'm going to be, totally open to everything. It's not like I'm not going to show something. I'm not going to say something. I'm going to give the pros and the cons for everything, and this would be something that I'm going to be able to say, hey, this is what I'm doing to my family, my friends, something that's expressive. If you guys are looking for something like this, reach out to me. I'll definitely be able to show you guys the ins and outs that I've learned so far. And I'll definitely want to be able to pass on this information in the long run. I would like to, be remembered for something special, something that I would help somebody with to do as well too. And of course, I'm pretty sure it would be the same for you as well too, Tim. So yeah, definitely just reach out to me, guys, if you have any questions about anything.
Yeah, the great webinar. Like, thank you, Zafras, also for this. So thanks everyone. Thanks for watching. We're gonna see you in the next webinar, in the next videos. We're gonna provide for you more information.